Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Daniel. I'm a shredder here in Oregon. I mainly do long distance push, so when these wheel shield things came out, I decided to grab a pair and see how they are. So I finally got them in the mail today after months and months and months and months and well, which is kind of a hassle. So yeah, enough for the talk. Here they are. The wheels that I'm running right now are 77 millimeter seismic speed vents. So I thought we'd do a little bit of a review today on the wheel shield's performance in the rain, because here in Oregon today it is raining, and so why not do it? So let's go skate. So after riding them for a little bit out there in the rain, I noticed that it was spitting up a lot of water, like onto my board. So there's really no point even to have them on there. So I decided to modify them a little bit and rotate them back towards my board. And so here's the test result from that. As you can tell, it kept the water off my board, and I'm pleasantly surprised. That was all I wanted to do, is a quick short review of these things. I'll do more on install and things later. Remember to skate safe and always wear a helmet. I'll see you next time.